So today I want to discuss a very common thing and a very small thing, but that small thing causing big trouble. So what is that? But before telling about that, I want to discuss another very small thing. So do you believe in bad deed and good deed, sin and virtue? If you don't know what is meaning of virtue and sin, I am telling you. So virtue is punya in Hindi, means good deed, and bad deed is also known as sin, pap. So everyone believes in karma, and in my opinion, in every religion, every people believes in karma. Like if someone, however directly indirectly, every religion believes in karma. If you will do good, then good will happen with you, and if you will do bad, then in future or near in future you will face bad problems or anything like kind of bad, and is that bad is also known as virtue. Directly indirectly virtue is happening with you, like by karma. So I don't know you believe in sin, like pap punya in Hindi. So after your death, God will calculate your sin and virtue. But anyway, I believe in that. Okay, I don't want to make controversy here, but I want to make things simple. So let leave that topic. uh, you will carry virtue or sin after your death. Let skip that topic for now, but I'm coming to the point, karma. So every people believes in karma, bad, good in near future. So if you do a very small help to any person, like you are passing by road and you help a person, and with time you will get help by other person. So this is good, like as I said, good karma. So you help by person to a person, physical person, like you help to a person by physically, I want to say that. So you helped a person by physically, and are you got help in your near future, or something good happen with you. So that is good karma, and this is happening by physical environment. So if you do good deed on online, like try to understand this. So if you are doing good deed by online, like spreading good knowledge, spreading awareness, and who knows, something will happen good with you in your near future. And here noticeable thing is that by physical you helped 1%, 2%, 3%, or 100%, but by online you can help like n number of people. So there is no number, you can help n number of people, like more than crore or n number of people. So you can help by online n number of people, but same by negative impact. Many people do in fact of doing help on online, but many people try to manipulate, try to mislead people by online. And what do you think, like if you helped to 1 crore people, then those virtue will be 1 crore to you. But if you mislead 1 crore people, then those sin will be 1 crore. So this is very like common sense thing. This is very common sense thing, and but still common sense is not common nowadays. I heard from somebody. So common sense is not common nowadays. But here why I am telling you, because I want to like now I was thinking about this topic, and I thought why I shouldn't talk about this. So for that reason I am telling you, and many people know about this, but they knowingly unknowingly they do this mistake, and many people don't care to do sin because they take for granted to it. They think that if we will do bad then nothing will happen to us, but this is wrong. Bad will happen to you, but how you are not recognizing, or time is not came yet for your calculation, bad deed calculation, or we can say sin. So anyway, I think smart people understood me, and dumb will always remain dumb. But the thing is that many people get awareness, many people get knowledge by listening to random people, as I am to you. I am random to you, but thing is that many people know everything, but they are not aware about it. So I try to do aware to you. So another thing, same topic I am repeating again. Don't do bad with anyone, and if you, yes, you do good deed with everyone. It doesn't matter you do good deed with a 1% 2% in physical or online, physical environment, in physical environment or online community. So thing is that if you do help on physical environment, you are getting, for example, you are getting one virtue one virtue. But if you are misleading two people on online, and it is much easier to mislead people on online, so if you are misleading two people, so you are getting two sin from online. So many people don't ever about that, and many people nowadays, many people, because there are every kind of people in world, good and bad. So many people try, they don't only try, but do they do mislead people. So it is very bad, and I can't stop to anyone, but I can tell you that before believing to anybody, please cross check data about them and about their research. Before believing anyone, please cross check their information. So this is the simple advice, or my opinion you can say, I tried to tell you. And by the way, I am telling this, I don't want to make this video much longer, but another disclaimer I am giving to you, that I am speaking English. Why? Because I want to do my English fluent and good, and for that reason I am speaking in English. But do you see that flag, Jai Sri Ram and Hanuman Ram? I don't want to tell anything in future or in this video or anything in my life lie to you. So remember what I told in this video. So everything you do, it is compounding. It is compounding. It doesn't matter your virtue or your sin. So try to neglect sin and do more virtue. Peace. Bye. Jai Sri Ram.